You may be wondering, what are butterflies doing at the bottom of the earth in Antarctica? Well, pteropods, commonly known as sea butterflies, are an open ocean snail that looks like the garden snail you see in your backyard, except the foot used by your garden snail to crawl is instead used as wings by the pteropod to help it swim in the water, like the one seen here. Pteropods are important to the marine food web in Antarctica because they eat phytoplankton, the microscopic drifting plants of the sea, and are themselves eaten by fish, which in turn are eaten by penguins, seals, and whales. However, pteropods and many other marine species are being bombarded by a series of environmental changes in Antarctica. These include rising seawater temperatures, melting ice, and increases in carbon dioxide gas. My research focuses on the Western Antarctic Peninsula, also known as the WAP. The WAP is one of the most rapidly warming regions on our planet. This warming stems from an increase in carbon dioxide gas due to the burning of fossil fuels from human activities, which traps heat in our atmosphere. Pteropod abundance may decline if they are unable to adapt to these changes in rising seawater temperatures and melting ice. In addition, about 1/3 of the carbon dioxide gas produced by humans is absorbed in our oceans. When this carbon dioxide reacts with seawater, it dissolves to form hydrogen ions, which makes the water more corrosive. This so-called corrosion or ocean acidification, is important for marine organisms that have shells, such as pteropods, because it makes it more difficult for them to build their shells, as well as corrode their current ones. We can see this corrosion on the pteropod to the right here, where there are cracks and evident signs of pitting along the outside ridges of the shell shown in white. We can use pteropods as a canary in the coal mine in Antarctica because their corroding shells are one of the first visible signs of ocean acidification and can indicate where waters may be harmful to other marine organisms. My research uses a 25-year data set collected along the WAP, as well as research conducted on board ship through experiments in Antarctica to determine how changes in pteropod abundance may be impacted by rising seawater temperatures and ocean acidification. If pteropods decline, this could reverberate throughout the marine food web and ultimately impact the abundance of organisms we're familiar with in Antarctica, such as penguins, seals, and whales. My work with the Antarctic sea butterfly will help to determine whether it has a future in the polar seas. Thank you.